Mercedes vehicles are known for luxury and engineering, but a few common maintenance mistakes can quietly turn routine service into very expensive repairs. Stay to the end, because the number one mistake many Mercedes owners make is surprisingly common and completely avoidable. Number 1. Skipping oil changes or extending intervals. This is the number one way Mercedes owners destroy their engines, and it happens more often than you'd think. Your Mercedes engine was designed around specific oil change intervals, but those factory recommendations assume perfect driving conditions that most of us never see. Severe conditions like heat, dust, stop-and-go traffic, and short trips all break down your oil much faster than the manual suggests. When you push those intervals beyond 7,500 miles, you're creating sludge buildup that clogs oil passages and starves critical engine components. The turbochargers in modern Mercedes engines are particularly vulnerable to old oil. These precision components spin at over 100,000 revolutions per minute and depend on clean oil for both lubrication and cooling. Sludged oil can't flow through the tiny passages that feed the turbo bearings. What starts as a $180 oil change becomes a $3,000 turbo replacement when those bearings fail. The metal debris from a failed turbo can contaminate your entire engine, turning a maintenance issue into an engine rebuild. Always use Mercedes-approved synthetic oil that meets their specifications. Generic oils might be cheaper, but they don't have the thermal stability and additive packages that Mercedes engines require. Number 2. Neglecting fluid flushes. Mercedes owners often assume that lifetime fluids are truly permanent, but this is one of the most expensive misconceptions in automotive maintenance. These fluids do degrade over time and need replacement to prevent catastrophic failures. Transmission fluid is particularly critical in Mercedes vehicles. The complex 7, 8, and 9-speed automatics generate tremendous heat and pressure that breaks down fluid over time. Old transmission fluid loses its ability to lubricate and cool internal components. When transmission fluid degrades, it can't maintain proper hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. This leads to harsh shifts, slipping, and eventually complete transmission failure. A transmission rebuild can easily cost $5,000 or more on a modern Mercedes. Brake fluid is another critical fluid that Mercedes owners often ignore. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air over time. This moisture reduces the fluid's boiling point and can cause brake fade or complete brake failure. Scheduled transmission flushes every 40,000 to 60,000 miles, regardless of what the manual says about lifetime fluid. Brake fluid should be changed every 2 to 3 years, and coolant systems need attention every 60,000 to 80,000 miles. Number 3. Ignoring dashboard warning lights. Mercedes dashboard warning systems are sophisticated and designed to alert you to problems before they become catastrophic failures. Ignoring these warnings is like ignoring chest pains. The consequences can be severe and expensive. The check engine light often indicates emission system problems that can cascade into major engine damage if ignored. PCV system failures, oxygen sensor problems, and catalytic converter issues all start small, but can lead to expensive repairs if left untreated. Mercedes engines are particularly sensitive to emission system failures because of their tight tolerances and advanced technology. A failed PCV valve can cause oil consumption, carbon buildup, and costly repairs in the $1,000 to $3,000 range. Oil pressure warnings should never be ignored, even for a few seconds. Modern Mercedes engines have very tight bearing clearances that can be damaged quickly by low oil pressure. Continuing to drive with an oil pressure warning can destroy an engine in minutes. Always scan warning codes with a proper diagnostic tool, not just visually dismiss lights as glitches. Mercedes computers are sophisticated and rarely give false warnings without underlying problems. Number 4. Using cheap or wrong specification parts. Mercedes vehicles are precision-engineered machines that require parts built to exact specifications. Using cheap aftermarket parts or incorrect specifications is a false economy that leads to expensive failures and repeat repairs. Oil filters are a perfect example of where cheap parts cause expensive problems. Generic oil filters often use inferior filter media and bypass valves that don't meet Mercedes specifications. Poor filtration allows contaminants to circulate through your engine. Brake pads and rotors are another area where cheap parts create problems. Mercedes brake systems are designed around specific friction coefficients and heat dissipation characteristics. Wrong brake pads can cause premature rotor wear, brake fade, and even brake system failure. Suspension components like engine mounts and transmission mounts need to meet exact specifications to control vibrations and movement. Cheap mounts fail quickly and can cause damage to other components when they break. Stick to genuine Mercedes parts or high-quality aftermarket parts that specifically meet Mercedes specifications. The small savings from cheap parts aren't worth the risk of expensive failures and warranty issues. Number 5. Delaying air suspension repairs. Mercedes air suspension systems provide excellent ride quality and handling, but they require prompt attention when problems develop. Delaying repairs allows small issues to become expensive system-wide failures. Air suspension leaks typically start small, but get progressively worse over time. A small leak in one air spring can overwork the compressor as it tries to maintain proper ride height. This leads to premature compressor failure and more expensive repairs. When one air spring fails, it puts additional stress on the remaining springs and can cause them to fail prematurely. What starts as a single spring replacement can quickly become a complete system overhaul, costing several $1,000s. The air suspension compressor is an expensive component that can be damaged by running continuously due to leaks. Compressors that run constantly overheat and fail, often taking the control module with them when they go. Address air suspension problems as soon as they're detected. Regular inspections can catch small leaks before they become major failures, and prompt repairs prevent cascade failures that destroy multiple components. Number 6. Ignoring engine mount failures. Engine mounts in Mercedes vehicles are sophisticated hydraulic units that control vibrations and engine movement. When these mounts fail, they create a cascade of problems that can damage multiple expensive components throughout the vehicle. Failed engine mounts allow excessive engine movement that stresses the exhaust system, intake components, and electrical connections. This movement can cause cracks in exhaust manifolds, broken intake tubes, and damaged wiring harnesses. The driveline components are particularly vulnerable to engine mount failures. Excessive engine movement puts stress on CV joints, drive shafts, and transmission mounts. These components can fail prematurely when subjected to abnormal movement and vibration. The symptoms of failing engine mounts include clunking noises during acceleration and deceleration, excessive vibration at idle, and visible engine movement when revving. These symptoms should be investigated immediately. Replace engine mounts as a set when one fails, especially on high-mileage vehicles. The remaining mounts are likely near failure, and replacing them prevents repeat labor costs and additional component damage. Number 7. Skipping transmission service. Mercedes transmissions are not sealed for life, despite what some marketing materials might suggest. These complex automatic transmissions require regular fluid and filter changes to maintain proper operation and prevent expensive failures. Modern Mercedes transmissions have 7, 8, or even 9 speeds with complex hydraulic controls and electronic management. The transmission fluid in these units breaks down under the heat and pressure of normal operation. Old transmission fluid loses its ability to lubricate internal components and maintain proper hydraulic pressure. This leads to harsh shifting, slipping between gears, and eventually complete transmission failure requiring rebuild or replacement. Mercedes transmissions generate significant heat, especially under heavy loads or in stop-and-go traffic. Regular fluid changes help maintain the cooling properties that prevent overheating and component damage. Service your Mercedes transmission every 40,000 to 60,000 miles with genuine Mercedes transmission fluid. Don't trust quick lube shops with this service. Use a qualified Mercedes specialist who understands the specific requirements. Number 8. Taking your Mercedes to generic quick lube shops. Quick lube chains are convenient and cheap, but they're not equipped to properly service Mercedes vehicles. The specialized requirements of Mercedes engines and the complexity of their systems require knowledgeable technicians and proper equipment. Generic oil change shops often use the wrong oil specifications or incorrect filter applications. Mercedes engines require specific oil viscosities and additive packages that generic shops may not stock or understand. The oil capacity and fill procedures on Mercedes engines can be tricky, with specific sequences required to ensure proper filling. Overfilling or underfilling can cause serious engine damage that may not be immediately apparent. Reports of turbo issues from wrong oil specifications show how expensive these mistakes can become. The shop used conventional oil instead of the required synthetic specification, leading to costly repairs. Choose an independent Mercedes specialist or dealership for all service work. The small additional cost is insurance against expensive mistakes that can cost thousands to repair. Number 9. Ignoring unusual noises. Mercedes vehicles are engineered to operate quietly and smoothly. Unusual noises are often the first indication of developing problems that can become expensive if ignored. Grinding noises from the brakes indicate worn brake pads that are damaging the rotors. Continuing to drive with grinding brakes can turn a simple pad replacement into an expensive rotor and caliper rebuild. Knocking or rattling noises from the engine can indicate serious internal problems like bearing wear, timing chain issues, or carbon knock. These problems can cause catastrophic engine failure if not addressed promptly. Suspension noises like creaking, groaning, or clunking indicate worn bushings, ball joints, or other components. Mercedes suspension systems are complex and expensive, making early detection and repair crucial. Listen to your Mercedes and investigate any new or unusual sounds immediately. What starts as a minor noise can quickly become a major repair if the underlying problem isn't addressed. Number 10. Neglecting fuel system maintenance. Mercedes fuel systems are sophisticated and require regular maintenance to prevent expensive failures. Fuel quality issues and system contamination can cause problems throughout the injection system. Direct injection engines are particularly susceptible to carbon buildup on intake valves and injectors. This buildup reduces performance and can cause misfires, rough running, and catalytic converter damage. High-pressure fuel pumps in Mercedes engines can fail and contaminate the entire fuel system with metal particles. This requires extensive cleaning and replacement of multiple components, making it an extremely expensive repair. Diesel Mercedes vehicles require proper DEF, diesel exhaust fluid maintenance, to prevent emission system problems. Poor quality DEF or contaminated systems can cause expensive SCR catalyst and injector failures. Use premium fuel in Mercedes gasoline engines to prevent carbon buildup and maintain proper octane ratings. The small additional cost prevents expensive cleaning procedures and component replacements. Number 11. Choosing the wrong repair shop. Not all repair shops are equipped to properly diagnose and repair Mercedes vehicles. The complexity of Mercedes systems and the specialized tools required make shop selection critical for proper repairs. Generic repair shops often lack the diagnostic equipment needed to properly troubleshoot Mercedes problems. Mercedes vehicles use proprietary communication protocols that require specific scan tools and software. Parts availability and knowledge are also issues with generic shops. Mercedes parts often have specific part numbers and applications that generic shops may not understand or have access to. Warranty coverage can also be affected by using non-qualified repair shops. Mercedes may deny warranty claims if repairs were performed incorrectly or with non-approved parts or procedures. Find an ASE-certified Mercedes specialist or authorized dealer for all major repairs. The additional cost is often offset by proper diagnosis and repair procedures that prevent repeat failures. Number 12. Ignoring preventive maintenance schedules. Mercedes vehicles have detailed maintenance schedules designed to prevent expensive failures and maintain optimal performance. Ignoring these schedules is a false economy that leads to much higher long-term costs. The Mercedes maintenance schedule includes services that may seem unnecessary, but are designed to catch problems before they become expensive failures. Skipping these services often voids warranty coverage and leads to premature component failures. Timing chain tensioner service is critical on Mercedes engines around 100,000 miles. These components can fail and cause extensive engine damage if not replaced according to schedule. The cost of prevention is always less than the cost of repair. Cooling system services prevent corrosion and component failures that can lead to overheating and engine damage. Mercedes cooling systems are complex and expensive to repair when they fail. Brake system maintenance prevents expensive component failures and maintains the safety systems that protect you and your family. Mercedes brake systems are sophisticated and require proper maintenance to function correctly. Follow the Mercedes maintenance schedule religiously and consider more frequent service if you drive in severe conditions. The cost of maintenance is always less than the cost of major repairs. These 12 mistakes are costing Mercedes owners thousands of dollars in unnecessary repairs. But every single one is completely preventable with proper knowledge and maintenance practices. Your Mercedes is a sophisticated machine that rewards proper care with years of reliable service. The common thread through all these mistakes is that prevention is always less expensive than repair. Whether it's regular oil changes, proper fluid maintenance, or choosing qualified service providers, the small additional costs prevent major expenses later. Take care of your Mercedes properly, and it will provide you with the luxury, performance, and reliability that made you choose the three-pointed star in the first place. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.